Hi, I'm Danielle, and I'm a health writer and researcher, and I'm currently finishing my MSc in nursing. Today, we're talking about the science of women's sleep, how hormones affect sleep, and why menopause is such a common turning point, and how women can support better sleep as biology changes. Many women describe nights that feel unpredictable, waking hot, restless, wide awake when they want to be asleep. There are clear biological reasons for this. Women's sleep is shaped by several interacting systems. Hormones play a central role, but so do the brain, body temperature, regulation, and stress. Because these systems change across life, sleep often changes with them, particularly at midlife. Sleep is regulated by two main biological processes. The first is the circadian rhythm, our internal body clock, which helps set sleep and wake timing. The second is sleep pressure, which builds the longer we're awake. Hormones interact closely with both these systems, influencing sleep, depth, timing, and stability. Many women first notice subtle sleep changes across the menstrual cycle, but for most, the biggest shifts happen later, during perimenopause and menopause. One of the most important links between hormones and sleep is temperature regulation. Estrogen helps the brain manage body temperature. As hormone levels fluctuate or decline, that system becomes more sensitive. Even small changes in temperature can trigger awakenings, lighter sleep, or night sweats. For many women, noticeable sleep disruption begins during menopause. Often in the late 30s or 40s, hormone levels fluctuate unpredictably, which can lead to night waking, early morning waking, anxiety at night, or difficulty getting back to sleep. During menopause, lower hormone levels can make these patterns more persistent, with hot flashes at night and sweats becoming major sleep disruptors. Repeated sleep disruption doesn't just affect energy levels, but it can impact mood, focus, metabolic health, and cardiovascular health. That's why menopause-related sleep problems are increasingly recognized as a health issue, not something women should simply just push through. Sleep disruption at this stage rarely has a single cause, so support rarely comes from one solution. Many women benefit from combining approaches: calming bedtime routines, gentle lifestyle adjustments, nervous system support, and changes to the sleep environment. The goal is to work with the body's changing physiology rather than forcing sleep to behave the way it used to. Because temperature instability is such a common driver of disrupted sleep during menopause, cooling strategies are particularly relevant. Keeping the bedroom cool, using breathable bedding, and reducing heat build-up can support the body's natural overnight temperature drop, which is part of the healthy circadian rhythm. One option some women explore is temperature-regulating sleep technology like 8-Sleep. 8-Sleep is designed to actively cool or warm the bed surface throughout the night. By working at the level of the mattress rather than just the room, it can help stabilize sleep surface temperature and reduce awakenings linked to overheating or night sweats. It's one example of a targeted physiology-based approach that can be helpful when temperature changes are a major sleep disruptor. To bring this together, women's sleep changes across life because underlying biology changes. During perimenopause and menopause, hormone shifts and temperature regulation play a central role in sleep disruption. There's no single fix, but support can be tailored from routines and environment to targeted temperature tools to better fit this stage of life. Thanks for spending this time with me, and take care.